How to block someone on WeChat. Hello everybody, in order to do so you may follow up these steps. Open up WeChat, and once you are logged in you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, what you can do is tap on the option called contacts. Go ahead and tap on it from the bottom. You are finding different options in the navigation bar. Tap on that option called contacts. After tapping on it, what you can do is simply go ahead and locate up the person that you would like to block. If you can't find them there, you may use the search bar at the top if you prefer. And once you find the person, from the interface of that person's, what you can do is tap on the three dot at the top, go ahead and tap on it and a menu appears. Now from the given menu, select the option called block. You'll be finding a toggle option with it. All you gotta do is simply tap on it, and after you tap on it you'll be finding that if you really want to block, click on OK, and once you do that you will be not receiving any kind of messages from them and you will not be seeing each other's moments updates. So click on OK if you really want that, and once that is done you should be able to block that person on WeChat. So that's it for now. You may follow this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll see you on the next one.